and welcome back. So I'm really excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you a FABFITFUN unboxing for spring 2021. It's a really good one. If you have been to my channel before, then you're obviously already familiar with FABFITFUN, but if not, it is a seasonal subscription box, which means it comes out 4 times a year and it always contains amazing full-size beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. I absolutely love this box. You guys know that, so I am ready to jump in. Also, this spring they introduced the FABFITFUN Beauty Standard, which means they have a very high standard now for all of the beauty products included in their box. So you're gonna see a lot more natural and organic products, which I love. So let's jump in to the spring box. Even though here in Maryland, it literally doesn't feel like spring at all. It is a blizzard right outside my window right here. So if you see me glancing over, I'm just like admiring the snow. I love it so much, but I'm definitely feeling all the spring vibes right now with this box. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first couple of items in the box, I just got some cute little spring FABFITFUN stickers, a coupon for Nourish vitamins, and a coupon for Hello Fresh meals. So the first item I picked out for my spring box are these reusable makeup rounds, and these are from Saie Beauty. Comes with a set of 3, and for me, these little rounds are so much better than using makeup wipes, and reason being, I can use my own makeup remover or cleanser with these rounds, so it's tailored to my personal skincare needs rather than just a makeup wipe, which sometimes have chemicals or fragrances that tend to break my skin out. So these have been amazing. I just slip my finger through this little loop here and use it to scrub my face. Really soft, fuzzy cotton. They're very squishy, so great for that winter delicate skin so you're not tugging. So they are, again, reusable. You can just wash them and use them again, and it comes with 3, so awesome. These retail for $15. I'm so excited about this spring selection because you guys know I love my lifestyle products and home decor. These are from Bloomingville, and they are the woven seagrass coasters. It comes with 4. These are so stinking cute. You can see that they're all different, really beautiful. They have gorgeous white stitching. I love the seagrass. I'm really into that for spring and summer, kind of like that boho chic look. So I have a ton of seagrass trays and baskets, so these coasters are going to be perfect in our living room. Too cute, love these. So these 4 coasters retail for $35. So really an amazing value, love those. And y'all, I wasn't kidding when I said I'm just into this very natural material boho chic look. So I was really excited for my next selection. I picked this gorgeous water hyacinth woven tray from Kane. And this is just the cutest, perfect little size for your coffee table, or you could set it on an entryway table. You can see it has little handles here, which I love. It is extremely sturdy. I have a lot of water hyacinth and seagrass baskets and trays, and this one is so well made. Nice and sturdy. So this is going to be gorgeous with like a candle inside, maybe a small book, and a little faux plant. So I love this tray. This one retails for $45. Loving the natural elements. It's gonna look really cute with these coasters too. Oh my God, I just love it, you guys. So the next item that I got in my spring box is this Cactus Cup. Not sure how much use I'll actually get out of this cup, but it is cute for like by the pool selfies and stuff like that. Very cute for summer. I think my boys probably might actually like this a little bit more than me. But this is from Pink Sky. It is a reusable cup. You can see it has a screw top and it comes with the straw. So really cute. This retails for $20. Next is from the brand Pure, and this is their Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. This was another item that I selected that I absolutely love. Retails for $28. It's antioxidant rich, and you can apply it to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. Isn't that so pretty? Just a gorgeous, bronzy, glittery face and body oil. I love the packaging. Let me just show you guys really quickly. It has the little dropper, and you just use the little button on the top, and then you can rub it in to your skin. And it really hydrates and just gives your skin a beautiful glow. This would be so gorgeous for summer on your chest, on your legs, when you're poolside. It's just gonna make you look tanner. It's gonna give you kind of that sparkle, and it's gonna make you look very moisturized. Next up is from Humankind, and this is their Moisturizing Hand Scrub with Elderflower and Raspberry. A really great moisturizing hand scrub. It has a tiny bit of exfoliation, has a great fruity smell, so really great for that dry winter skin. I just have this sitting next to my sink with my hand soap, so I'll use this and my hand soap, and then I will lotion afterwards, and it's been a great combo. And the hand scrub retails for $15. Next up is from Ahava. I absolutely love this brand, and this is their Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. You want to use a more gentle approach to makeup removal, especially in the winter when your skin is so dry and delicate. This is amazing. You just put a little bit in your hand, just massage it all into your face, rinse it, all of your makeup comes off, and it's gonna cleanse and moisturize in time. So I love this one from Ahava, and it retails for $24. And last but not least, I did pick out the 2 MAC lipsticks just because I'm obsessed with MAC lipsticks. The smell, the texture, I just love them. Both of these are Powder Kiss lipsticks. I was excited really to see this brand in the FABFITFUN box just because they've never offered any MAC products before. Retail $42 for this lipstick duo, and the Powder Kiss are matte lipsticks that deliver moisture and gorgeous soft focus color to the lips. So the first color I got is Work, Work, Work. And this is like a pretty, almost like a terracotta burnt orange red. It's coming off very bright on camera, but in person it definitely reads more of like a blue toned corally red. Pretty color, a nice muted red. I think it's going to be perfect as we transition from winter into spring. I love the texture of these Powder Kiss lipsticks. They are so nice, really smooth and creamy, but they're still going to give you that nice kind of matte look to your lips. I hate when matte lipsticks are like super dry and they just settle in your lines. So these I think are perfect if you like that matte lip look like I do, but you still want your lips to feel moisturized and glossy. So very impressed with these. The other color in the duo is called Reverence. And this is more of just a nice pinky nude, which is typically what I gravitate towards, so I was really excited about this one. Oh, it's so pretty, and these are so silky. Oh my gosh, okay. So that is Reverence, and you can see that even though they're matte, there's still like a great sheen to these. They are beautiful. So this is gonna definitely be like my go-to color, I think, for the spring. It's just beautiful. So I was so excited to get these gorgeous MAC lippies in this season's box. So that was everything in my spring box. I would love to hear what you added to yours. Comment down below and let me know what items you picked out, because there were just a ton of awesome goodies this season. I had the hardest time picking out what I wanted in my box because I thought the selection was really good. So comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and follow me over on Instagram, where I post a lot more regularly. And I will have another unboxing video that I'm getting ready to film in just a minute, which is a home decor subscription box that I know you guys are going to love. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, bye guys.